Hello, I am Deshmukh Gajanan. I welcome you to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to deal with one of the important topics of English grammar. Today we are going to study gerund. So first of all, try to understand what is meant by gerund. I am writing the definition on the board. Please have a look at the board. Gerund is a verbal noun. Gerund is a verbal noun. It plays the role of a noun in a sentence. Okay. And how are the gerunds formed? Gerunds are formed by adding ing to the base form of the verb. See how are the gerunds formed. Look at the board. For example, cook is the base form of the verb. Okay. Cook is the base form of the verb. By adding ing to the cook, we can create a gerund. So cooking is an example of a gerund. Sing is the base form of a verb. We can add an ing to it and create or form a gerund. Singing, dancing, reading, etc. Okay. In short, what should we remember? We need to remember that gerund is a verbal noun. Gerund plays the role of a noun in a sentence. How are the gerunds formed? Gerunds are formed by adding ing to the base form of the verb. तो यहाँ पे हमें ध्यान देने का है, gerund का मतलब क्या है? Gerund means verbal noun. Gerund sentence में noun का रोल प्ले करता है. And how are the gerunds formed? Gerunds are formed by adding ing to the base form of the verb. gerund हम कैसे क्रिएट करते हैं? जो वर्ब का जो बेस फॉर्म है उसको हम ing ऐड करते हैं एंड gerunds आर क्रिएटेड. नाउ लेट अस स्टडी द वेरियस यूजेस ऑफ द gerunds. यूसेज ऑफ द gerunds और यूजेस ऑफ द gerunds. Different uses of the gerunds. See here, first of all, a subject of a verb. First use of the gerund is subject of a verb. Gerund is subject of a verb. How is it? We are going to study this use of the gerund, subject of a verb, with the help of a few examples. Please have a look at the board. Swimming is a good exercise. So in this sentence, swimming, it appears that swimming is a verb. Swim is a verb, but actually it is not a verb here. It is a verbal noun, or it is playing the role of a noun here. Swimming is a noun here and it is the subject of a verb here. Okay, it is the subject of a verb here and that's why swimming is a gerund. यहाँ पे swimming क्या है? verbal noun है और वो subject है sentence में. That's why it is an example of a gerund. यहाँ पे क्या है? swimming जो है it is an example of a gerund. Let us study one more example. Cooking is an art. Cooking is an art. Okay, so here also cooking is a verbal noun, or we can say it is the subject of a verb. That's why it is playing the role of a noun here. Cooking is a noun here and that's why it is an example of a gerund. और ये gerund का पहला यूज है दोनों भी sentences में. We can say that gerund here it is subject of a verb. Gerund is used as a subject of a verb in both these sentences. Okay, now another use of the gerund. This is the first use, subject of a verb. Next use of a gerund is object of a verb. Object of a verb. This is the second use of a gerund. So see here, what is meant by object of a verb? Ramesh loves playing cricket. So here loves is the main verb. Okay, loves is the main verb. यहाँ पे क्या है? love जो है ये मेन वर्ब है, एंड हियर प्लेइंग इज verbal noun, or here it is playing the role of a noun. Playing is a noun here, and it is used as a object of a verb. So here playing is an example of a gerund. Okay, let us study one more example of object of a verb. Neha likes cooking food. Neha likes cooking food. In this sentence, cooking is an example of a gerund, and here it is the object of a verb. Playing, cooking are the objects of verbs here. Okay, and both are the examples of gerunds. Playing and cooking are the examples of gerunds here. Now the third use of a gerund, it is object of a preposition. The third use of gerund is object of a preposition. Object of a preposition. This is the third example of gerund. Raju, example, Raju is interested in playing chess. Raju is interested in playing chess. So here we can say object of a preposition playing. Playing is a gerund here, and it is object of a preposition here. Okay, playing. One more example. She is fond of collecting money. In this sentence, इस सेंटेंस में collecting जो है वो gerund का एग्जाम्पल है. ओके, ये नाउन है यहाँ पे. collecting is a verbal noun here. collecting is a noun here, और यहाँ पे इसका जो यूज है gerund का, ये क्या है? Object of a preposition. The last use of a gerund is we can say subject complement. The fourth use of a gerund is subject complement. Subject complement. Okay, see here examples I am writing. The swim in the river was refreshing. तो इस सेंटेंस की तरफ आप ध्यान दीजिए. इस सेंटेंस में ये जो वर्ड है रिफ्रेशिंग, इट इज अ नाउन हियर. ओके, इट इज अ नाउन हियर एंड इट इज एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ अ gerund. और ये क्या है? ये सब्जेक्ट कॉम्प्लीमेंट का रोल प्ले कर रहा है रिफ्रेशिंग हियर. ओके, रिफ्रेशिंग इज प्लेइंग द रोल ऑफ अ सब्जेक्ट कॉम्प्लीमेंट हियर, and refreshing is an example of a gerund here. One more example of subject complement. Her hobby is collecting coins. So here also collecting is a noun. Collecting is a noun here, and collecting is a gerund. इस सेंटेंस में भी क्या है? collecting नाउन का रोल प्ले कर रहा है, और collecting जो है वो क्या है? यहाँ पे gerund है. And try to understand both these examples are the examples of gerunds, but they are the examples of subject complements. I hope that you must have understood the proper usage of gerunds with all these examples. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching the video. Have a good day. Take care.